The OBD-II harness is available direct to consumer exclusively through CarTeckNow.com and is the most effective way to power your Thinkware dash and rear camera. You'll get all of the Thinkware features, including parking surveillance mode, through an installation as easy as the car charging accessory and as integrated as the hardwire kit.
The OBD-II port for your vehicle will be located underneath the driver's side dash. This is what it will look like. The OBD-II port in most vehicles will either be snapped into place or screwed into place. The first step to installing this harness is to remove the existing OBD-II plug by either unsnapping or unscrewing it. Once you have the original OBD-II plug removed, go ahead and snap the new OBD-II plug into the existing housing. Now that the new OBD-II plug is snapped into the original housing, we can take the original OBD-II plug and snap into the harness. That's all there is for the OBD-II harness installation. At this point, go ahead and tuck your harness and cables up underneath the dashboard and secure them with zip ties if necessary. We'll take our rear camera cable and our power cable and plug into the camera. That way we can route these through the headliner, down the pillar, and back to the side of the dash.
Take the leftover power and leftover video cable, bundle them together, and zip tie them out of the way.